Hello, my name is Madison McCarthy, and I am applying for the Business Transformation Consultant for IBM. I believe that I would be the ideal candidate for this role because of the experience I have as an HR director working for Ethereal Intimates, in which I was responsible not only for all of the hiring that went involved with the company, but also at the very beginning stages, the foundation of the company, getting everything started. I was also responsible for press releases, for sustainability plans, action plans, meeting with clients, developing a business that met the needs of the clients we were working with, and just trying our hardest to grow from this small company that we created. As a entrepreneur, it is really difficult to understand what a company needs, and I feel like because I was an entrepreneur and did start my own business, I have a wide variety of knowledge working with other businesses, working with clients, and developing all the different things that are needed within a company. So I wanted to go ahead and show some of the work that I created. So for Ethereal Intimates, first we have a press release. We are celebrating our 5 years of business, and we were talking about how important it is for our company to be ethically sourced. So this is just a little press release talking about our company and what we do, the range of our services and everything that we provide, the amount of money we made. This is something that's very simple and to the point, but obviously that's what a press release needs to be. So I definitely have experience working there. And this is something that is just a bit easier seen, but, not as much, more creative things going into it. But working on a team that's all in the C-suite, having experience with that is something that's needed within a company. And I feel like I could really bring a lot of that to IBM because I have the experience working with the C-suite and making some higher level decisions that can be difficult for someone that is more junior to make. So next I want to show you our sustainability plan. So our sustainability plan was our 12-month action plan for our company. We really wanted to promote sustainability, so we wrote out a 12-month plan with specific goals that we needed to meet. So each goal was thought about and developed. We wrote out exactly what we were going to do each month. Obviously, when you're planning a company and you have a lot of say in what's going on, you need to be mindful of where the future is going. I feel like that's something that I can really bring to IBM, is that I'm a very forward thinker. I understand how things work and that you're not always going to be successful, but in order to be successful, you really need to think through each decision that you make and consider each alternative that's going to come out of what you're deciding to do. IBM is a very well-known company and one that I would have the pleasure of working with. Some great people are within the company, and I feel like I could really bring a lot of my ideas and innovations to the table. Obviously, I have experience working within sustainability. This is something that was important to our company, and I feel like some of these newer generational ideas could be brought to IBM as well, and I would love to help do that. So now on more of a creative side, I just wanted to show our infographic that we created about our company and why they should choose us. I have experience drafting press releases and documents for our future plans, but I also have more of a creative aspect as well that ties everything together. So here's one of our infographics that shows, why our company and the things that we offer. This is something that the team worked on together, and it's just a nice little piece describing that I not only have the skills and the communication aspect of it, but I also have the creative portion that is needed to work for a company like IBM, because obviously to gain more clients and to access more markets, we need to be showing what we're capable of. All in all, I think that I would be a really great fit for IBM. I feel like this position is something that I could really take charge in and become a leader in. IBM is a company that is very well known and has high-end leaders, and I wish to be a part of a company that works so hard and has made such a great name for themselves. So I hope you'll consider me. Thank you for taking this time to get to know me a little bit more.